Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Flying Tiger kakaomælk. Here we go. Flying Tiger kakaomælk, or as the Danish people say, kakaomælk. So for those people who don't know, Flying Tiger is this Danish cheap store. They sell really cheap products and they have this private label stuff that they produce themselves. So this one is their kakaomælk. It looks really interesting, looks really yummy. Look, the color is nice. Let's see the ingredient. 3.6 protein and 10 sugar per 100, so it's about the same as the soft drinks. Let's give it a nice shake. Ooh, and open the bottle. Smells really yummy. Let's pour it in. Look at that. Ooh. It's time for taste test. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if Flying Tiger chocolate milk tastes any good. The smell, it's fresh. But how's the taste? Let's see. Really unique tasting kakaomælk. Like, it's not too sweet. And the taste of cocoa and the milk is very present in this moment. I feel like the milk combination with cocoa, it's working very well. Nice. Surprising amount of sugar in this 10, but I don't taste any of that sugar here. I don't think it's added sugar. I think it's more like sugar, natural sugar from the cocoa. And there's like these small cocoa particles at the bottom as well. Look at this. So you know they used the real cocoa here and not some chemical flavor only. Really nice cocoa. I'm gonna take some more. Look. Cocoa in the bottom. Nice. Let's see if they used real milk or milk powder. That's the important question. I think it's real milk because you will taste it. The milk powder is more like industrial taste, but this one, it feels like it's coming straight from the cow's uterus. Yep, real milk. They only had like couple of ingredients: milk, sugar, and cocoa. There's nothing else. Nice. Like, this is super natural cocoa products. Usually they use like this ʻtsʰiː57 and stuff like that, or like some glucose and stuff like that, but here only 3 ingredients. That's really great. Flying Tiger, Danish cheap store company. I'm really surprised that their own private label product is this high quality. Like, usually the private label stuff is worse than the expensive brands, but this time it's the other way around. I think this is even better than the Nestle cocoa and stuff like that. So yeah, Flying Tiger cocoa. It also comes in a nice glass bottle and not plastic. The glass keeps the milk fresh. I think I will give this a 9.5 out of 10. It's great. It's yummy. Perfect for Finnish weather summer day. Yes. Thank you for watching. And leave a comment below if you have Flying Tiger in your country or not. In Finland and Nordics I think they have, but are they expanding to other countries as well? I don't know. Leave a comment below, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.